Hello children, this video is the continuation of our last video, that is chapter 4, files and folders. So in part 1 we have discussed about files and folders, and I hope you all have understood that topic, and in today's video, that is part 2 video, we are going to discuss exercise. Okay children, so let's see our exercise questions one by one. Your exercise question is in page number 54. Okay children, if this picture is not visible, you can check your textbook page number 54. First question, circle the correct answer. Okay, in this they have given you two questions. We are going to see one by one. First one, the mouse is an dash device. Okay, you all know that mouse is an dash device. It is an input device. So, yes, right, circle the correct answer. So, he circled it in input device. Second one, when you want to move an icon from one location to another using a mouse, you use the method dash. Which method we will use? If you want to move one icon from one location to another location, which method you will use children? We will use drag and drop method. Okay. So, first one is input and the second one is drag and drop. Your second question is, Jodi wants to arrange all the files on her desktop. Help her by joining each file to the right folder. Okay, yesterday I told you, no, this, what is this? This yellow color file, yellow color picture, it is an folder. Okay, yellow color picture or this image represents a folder, and all other things are your files. So here see, two folders are there. One is photo folder and one is song folder, and here they have given you some photo files and song files. What Jodi wants to do, she want to arrange correctly these files in the folder. So how you will do? Yeah, see, all the photo files you want to put it inside this photo folder. So this will come here and this photo folder will come here. Okay, and the song file will go into song folder, and this also will move into song. Okay, join it. Okay children, now third question, it is in page number 55. If the picture is not visible, you can check the page number. Okay children, first question, Rahul wants to move a file from one location to another. Help him by numbering the following steps in the correct order. Yesterday while explaining this files and folder, I have explained this also, how you will move a file from one location to another. First one, we have to do left click on the icon to be moved. Okay, next what you will do, press the move button and drag the icon to the new location, and the last one is release the mouse button and drop the icon. Okay children, so first one is this, second one is this, and third one is this. Okay, you want to write it with your pencil. And your fourth question is, Kichu rabbit and Michu rabbit are on a picnic. It is late and they want to return home. All the games and food items are scattered. Help them organize and pack everything neatly in their basket by showing which item goes into which basket. Okay, so see, these two rabbit went for a picnic. Now it's been late, and what they want to do, they want to arrange all their things into this basket, and this is food basket and this is game basket. So you want to arrange it. How you will do children? See, put all the game items into this basket and all the food items into this basket. This you can do it by yourself. Okay children, take care of yourself. Bye.